In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add LinkedIn to Microsoft Authenticator. If you want an extra layer of security on your LinkedIn account, setting up two-factor authentication is a smart move. It helps protect your account by requiring a verification code in addition to your password when you sign in. In this walkthrough, we'll begin from inside LinkedIn and navigate to the security area where you can start the setup process for linking it with Microsoft Authenticator. First, go to LinkedIn and make sure you're signed into the account you want to protect. Once you're on the main LinkedIn page, look toward the top right area of the screen for the option labeled Meet. This is where LinkedIn groups your personal account options, profile access, and account settings. Click on to open the drop-down menu. In that menu, find and select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the section where LinkedIn lets you manage account preferences, privacy controls, and sign-in settings. If you've never visited this section before, don't worry. Everything you need is organized in categories, and we're heading straight to the security tools. After the settings and privacy page opens, look for the sign-in and security section. Click on that option to continue. This area contains the controls related to how you access your LinkedIn account, including password settings, verification methods, and account protection features. Once you're in Sign In and Security, scroll or look through the available options until you see Two-Factor Authentication. Click on Two-Factor Authentication to open the setup area. This is the feature that allows LinkedIn to work with an authentication app like Microsoft Authenticator, which can generate secure sign-in codes on your device. On the Two-Factor Authentication page, click Set Up. This starts the process of enabling two-factor authentication for your LinkedIn account. At this stage, LinkedIn is preparing to guide you through connecting your account to an Authenticator app, which is exactly what you need for Microsoft Authenticator. As a helpful tip, before you begin this setup, make sure Microsoft Authenticator is already installed on your phone or tablet so the process goes smoothly. It's also a good idea to complete the setup in one sitting, since security steps often expire if you leave the page for too long. And that's it for reaching the LinkedIn two-factor authentication setup screen. From here, you're ready to continue the connection with Microsoft Authenticator and strengthen your account security.